Welcome back, folks. Let's dive right into something many renters ask about: the differences between an emotional support animal and a service dog.
I'm all in. So, what's the big difference between the two?
Well, a service dog is like specially trained to perform specific tasks for someone with a disability, whether it's guiding a person who's visually impaired, alerting someone with diabetes to a blood sugar swing, or even helping ease a PTSD attack. It's not just a
Hmm.
pet, it's an essential tool for everyday living.
Yeah, and they actually get to go almost anywhere, right? No pet fees or breed bans because of the ADA protection.
Exactly, no pet fees and no discrimination based on breed or size. Landlords have to allow them in public spaces and housing, which is a huge plus for those who need that extra support.
All right, but then what about emotional support animals? They seem to be in a different league.
Yes, ESAs are different. They're there mainly to provide emotional comfort, not for performing specialized
Right.
tasks. And legally, they're covered under the Fair Housing Act, not the ADA. So while landlords do need to make reasonable accommodations, even if a property has a no pets rule, they can ask for documentation from a licensed mental health professional.
So basically, you don't get the same broad public access as with service dogs, huh?
Exactly. Yeah. It's like, think of it as having a tailored support system for your mental health at home. But once you step out into, say, a restaurant, the ASA doesn't have automatic entrance privileges.
Hmm. Interesting. And how about responsibilities? I mean, whether it's a service dog or an ESA, aren't there still standards to keep in check?
Absolutely. Regardless of the type, owners need to ensure that their animals are well behaved and don't cause damage. Both landlords and tenants share the responsibility, which really helps in maintaining a safe and clean living environment.
Now, here's my thought. Don't you think requiring documentation for an ESA might lead to some challenges for renters? Like potential misuse or extra hassle?
That's a fair point, and yes, it can be a bit cumbersome. But on the flip side, it keeps the process legitimate, ensuring that only those truly in need get this accommodation. And, well, landlords can enforce rules to keep things tidy.
Yeah, I get that. Still, it does feel like service dogs get a smoother ride, legally speaking, compared to ESS, doesn't it?
You know, it's like having a VIP pass for public spaces. Service dogs don't have to jump through those hoops and can truly accompany their handlers anywhere. It's a clear legal distinction that's meant to support those with physical and sensory disabilities more directly.
Right. And for renters, knowing these rights is crucial. Both types provide support, but while one gets extensive public access, the other ensures housing accommodations, even if there's a no pets policy on file.
Exactly. We're talking about a balance between necessary support and ensuring that everyone plays by the same rules. Landlords have responsibilities too.
It's a great reminder to always know your legal rights and responsibilities, whether you're a tenant or a landlord.
Absolutely. And if anyone out there feels uncertain about which category they fall into, digging into the details can really help you advocate for yourself.
No doubt about that. Thanks for helping break down the differences so clearly, even with the complexities involved.
My pleasure. It's a topic that benefits from a bit of clarity, and well informed discussions always lead to better outcomes for everyone involved.
Definitely. Until next time, keep asking questions and stay informed.